All right, guys, what is going on? LL here from handmadeandbeyond.com. I want to talk about today how to save shipping presets on fixed shipping costs to save you a lot of time when you're printing out your shipping labels through Etsy. So there is a way that you can actually save certain sizes and dimensions depending on what you're selling and if you have it set to fixed shipping costs, and it'll save you a lot of time. So you just select the size when you go to print and it will pre-populate everything for you. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is go to your orders and shipping tab and you select whatever orders that you want to ship out. Usually you sort by what needs to go out today or tomorrow or a certain time frame depending on when you have your processing time set up. So then when you have the order selected, at the top you select Get Shipping Labels. And this will bring you to your orders tab where you can print out your shipping labels. So it should have all the shipping, all the orders that you selected on the left, and you can highlight them to bounce through them. So what you can do is, so on this first order, you'll see here that it has the label preset. So these are the sizes or the dimensions and weights that I already have preset in here. So I saved each of those, and then now that they're saved, I can just select these and it'll pre-populate everything. So if I select 5 ounces, it automatically puts 5 ounces in the weight, length, width, height, and then the actual price. So literally I just go through, select the next one, do the same thing, and then I review and purchase the shipping label. So it's a lot faster than going through here individually, putting the package weight, length, width, height, and then the delivery service in here for each and every order, especially if you have a bunch of orders to do. So simply, if I want to do a new preset, I'm going to take this one out of here, or I'll just leave it in there, that's fine. But if you want to do a new one, so say I have a package that is, let me see if I have one that I haven't done yet. Let's do, I don't have 15 ounces. So I'll do a 1.5 here. And then you would want to put whatever length, width, and height the dimensions are of your package. And then what you would literally do is down here at the bottom, you can do save this as a new label preset. So make sure you have the delivery service that you want, all the dimensions that you want, and you click save, and then you can name it. So I'm going to name it 15 ounces so I know what it is. So now in the drop down, it's going to show up in the drop down as 15 ounces, which is going to be a huge time saver. So if you are doing fixed shipping costs and you have a lot of different sizes and dimensions and weights of items, you can save these presets. So as long as you know what that item is, you can easily go in here and just select the preset. It'll populate it, and then you just literally move on to the next item, select the preset, move on to the next item, select the preset. When you have them all selected, then you do the review your purchase, you buy the shipping labels and print them all out at once. But it'll be a huge time saver for you to save the presets so you can print everything out at once. And this is only available, I believe, for fixed shipping costs, because for calculated shipping costs, you should already have the weights and dimensions put in the listing so Etsy can calculate those shipping costs so that it knows what to charge the buyer. But if you don't have that set up and you have fixed shipping costs, like if you want to charge everyone the same amount for shipping, this is an easy way to save those presets so you don't have to do them each and every time. Hopefully that helps you guys. If you need more help, resources, you want to join a community of like-minded Etsy sellers, you can go to handmadeandbeyond.com. There's free resources on there. There's also the Handmade and Beyond community to help you start, build, and grow your Etsy business. But until next time, have an awesome rest of your day.